Here's how you can create video memes by using Veed.io. If you want to create memes on an online editor, Veed.io is the best option for you, and this is how you can do it easily. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for Veed.io or Veed.io the meme maker. Click on the first link which would say Veed.io and you'll be redirected to the main Veed.io page. To use this editor, you'll need to log in or sign up to an account. Go on to the top right corner and click on login or sign up. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can now create a free account. You can sign up with Google, your Apple account, your Microsoft account, or you can use your mail. Once you're logged into Veed.io, this is the dashboard that you'll see. In order to make a video, you'll need to upload any files that you want to use in your meme. You can now upload any video meme or any picture meme that you want to create. In my case, for an example, I'm just gonna put up a picture. You'll see these options under the video. Click on it and you'll be able to choose the aspect ratio of your video. In my case, I'm gonna choose Instagram Reel. And now you'll see that I have been given an Instagram Reel aspect ratio that I can use in order to easily make it with the perfect size. You can also change the background color. By clicking on background, you'll see this color option pop up. I'm gonna choose white. Now in order to add a text, just from the left bar menu, click on text and you'll see a lot of the options to add any text. You can change the font if you want. Add the text you want, you can resize it, change the styles, animations or whatever you want. Add the desired text and you'll have an easily created reel through Veed.io. You can use this reel to post anywhere, and once you're done making your project, click on done from the top right corner and you'll be able to export the video by clicking on export. That is how easily you can create a video meme or a picture meme by using Veed.io. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.